inside the Niger Delta.
Immediate past Minister of State for Agriculture and Rural Development, Senator Heineken Lokpobiri, has also thrown his hat into the ring to contest the governorship of Bayelsa State on the platform of the All Progressives Congress, APC. Senator Lokpobiri formally made his intentions known to the state leadership of the APC during a visit to the party's headquarters in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa State capital.
Accompanied by his political associates and supporters, Senator Lokpobiri was at the state headquarters of the APC in Yenagoa to officially inform his party that he is in the race for Creek Haven. The pioneer speaker of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly had underscored the need for the APC to work in one accord and wrest power from the ruling People's Democratic Party in Bayelsa State.
We came today to formally inform you that I'm running for governorship of Bayelsa State under the APC. If we work together, we'll be able to have a very peaceful primary. At the end of the day, we'll remain united. And then we'll wait for the tsunami that will happen in PDP. And then we will go ahead, run an issue-based campaign and win the election, not just for ourselves, but for the benefit of Bayelsa people.
Senator Lokpobiri's emphasis on a united APC family is not without basis, as the party appears divided over the mode of primaries to be adopted to produce its flag bearer in the November 16 governorship election.
Our party constitution counts 3 areas with which we are going to dwell on getting our candidates. 1, we have the direct primaries. 2, we have the indirect primaries, and the other one is consensus. And if you can attest to the fact that in the past, 2018, we gathered here and adopt direct primaries. On that note, if you can follow me up, we are going to still adopt the same direct primary system because
We will prefer an indirect mode of primary, but any other mode the party decides, we will go. The reason why we prefer indirect is that look, the party leaders are already known, and where we go for indirect, everybody will see how credible and transparent the process will be. We have expressed our preferred one, but whichever mode NWC comes up with, since we enjoy overwhelming support of the party members, we are sure to win.
In demonstration of his preparedness to contest the November 16 governorship election in Bayelsa State, Senator Lokpobiri has since obtained his APC governorship nomination and expression of interest forms and has gone ahead to officially launch his campaign office in Yenagoa. Senator Heineken Lokpobiri is a lawyer with vast experience in governance, having traversed the legislative and executive arms of government at the highest levels. He was Speaker of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly between 1999 and 2001 and Senator representing Bayelsa West in the upper chamber of the National Assembly. In 2015, he was appointed Minister of State for Agriculture and Rural Development and served in that capacity for almost 4 years until the dissolution of the last cabinet of President Buhari.
We worked together in the Ministry of Agriculture for 3.5 years. You know his history. You know him. He knows you. He has experience. He has knowledge. He has intelligence. If you give this young man a chance, and I believe you will, he will not let you down.
Exactly what difference does Senator Lokpobiri intend to make in the governance of Bayelsa State if elected the next governor of the oil-rich state?
Our dream is to ensure that, in the next 10 years when oil may not be too, relevant in the global, society, we will have an economy that can sustain, the people of Bayelsa, when there's no oil. Bayelsa, was reputed to be one of the most fertile states in the country, and so by the time we give some priority attention to agriculture and agro-allied industries, we give some attention to energy development so that industries can be sited there. There's no way the IGR of any state can be raised. There's no way you can create employment in a state without industrialization. There's no way in a country where only the government employs people. But in Bayelsa, only government is employing people. There's no program anywhere to be able to industrialize the state.
With the recent events, the camp of Senator Lokpobiri has sent a strong signal to its counterpart within and outside the APC that the governorship ambition of the Kerimobom politician is a serious project it will execute strictly in accordance with the country's electoral laws.
Inside the Niger Delta.